Hello everyone. With this video I will demonstrate how to enable and use panic mode on Samsung Galaxy M11 smartphone. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. While panic mode is enabled, if you press the side key quickly 3 times, it will send a quick alert to your emergency contacts when you are in an emergency situation. To begin, go to Settings. Scroll down and find Advanced Features. Tap on it. Scroll down and select Panic Mode. Now tap on Send SOS Messages, and then tap the switch to activate it. Read the terms and conditions, and select I have read and agree to all the terms and conditions above. Then tap on Agree. To turn on Send SOS Messages, you have to add at least one recipient. Tap on Add. You can create a new contact, or you can select any contact from your contacts list. Now select any of the contacts. You can also select multiple contacts. Then tap on Done from the bottom. Now go back. That's it. The panic mode has been activated. There is another option called Attach Pictures. If it is enabled, pictures will be taken using the front and rear cameras, and will be sent with the SOS. If you want to disable panic mode, just toggle that button off. So in this way, you can enable and use panic mode on Samsung Galaxy M11 smartphone. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.